Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful Shine Hot Shine and I'm going to stamp it. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Sinful Shine's Hot Shine. This is the kind of purpley pink that just sings in my head. I love this shade of color. It's just so pretty. And I don't think I've ever used this one. It was in my drawer, and like I said, I'm trying to work my way. I'm not always going to pull out old stuff, but I am going to try to work my way through and start using some of my older stuff that's never been used. Hi, Woody. So there we go with our first coat. And now we're going to do our second coat. The formula was really, really good on this one. I kept wanting to just call it Sinful Colors, but it's a Sinful Shine. I don't really know what the difference is, you know, in the polishes themselves. I haven't noticed a difference, but there we go. 2 coats of gorgeousness. And now I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, because that's what we do here on Moon Baby Nails. It is, getting prepared to stamp. Yay, yay. Okay, I've got a boo-boo ding on my thumb. Pretty nice gash. I'm going to show you how I fix it. I've got some acetone there in the dampen dish, and I just put some on the tip of my finger and tap it down. And if you can still see it, you can put, you know, another coat over the top and not have to redo it all the way. I'm also going to be using this nail cream again as a barrier today. Now, I used this not too awful long ago, and I was not happy with it. It was a struggle bus mess getting it off. I think I'd done a gradient maybe. And I decided I was going to give this another try. Because I think with this product, since it's not latex, it's more glue based. I think what you need to do with this one is just let it dry. After you do your gradient or your stamping or whatever, let it dry. I'm going to be using Bundle Monsters Nail Stamp for Fun BMXL206, my Beauty Big Bang stamper and scraper, and this Born Pretty Gold stamp and polish. And once again, I'm going to tell y'all that I miss Nail Stamp for Fun. I hope she gets to make it back one day here on YouTube. Swanette is the queen of stamping as far as I'm concerned. She is awesome. So today's manicure is going to be more of a delicate, light, you know, kind of thing. And I'm telling you, in real life, this manicure just, oof, it had me going. I loved looking at it. I would look at it at work. I would look at it at stop signs and red lights. I was just constantly checking it out. And it made me happy. So you will get to see hopefully a better shot of this because it did turn out really nice. I used that double cornered image on all of my nails, but I'm going to use this one image on my ring finger as my accent nail. And I am so sorry I'm out of frame. Oh, there we go. Get it back in frame. So that's how I did that one. And I'm going to go back and clean this plate off again with some acetone and do my pinky nail. But I really liked these images and just enjoyed it. This is just one that I just had fun with. So there we go. Plop it on there. Alright, all stamped up. So now I'm going to pull this off. I have let it all dry, even the stamping polish. And look how nice that did. Okay, much better this time. I'll be using my acetone to do just a little bit more cleaning up. Not a whole lot to do, just a tiny, tiny bit. Just a tad. So there we go, camera's kind of freaking out. I'm going to use the Bundle Monster Smudge Free Top Coat today. And seal this stamping in without smearing it because it's smudge free. And I really do love this stuff. I love it. Oh, we got a fuzzy. Oh, gotta get that out of there. So there we go. And now I'm gonna top it off with some Poshe top coat and seal everything in really nice and well. and being sure to cap that free edge there. So here's my swatch photo. I would love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.